Good morning students, welcome in science class. Yes beta, how are you all? Fit and fine, very nice. Yes, any guess what will we do today? Yes beta, yes you are right. We are going to start our new lesson, lesson 10, save natural resources. Okay, this is our EV1 syllabus. In UT1 only 2 chapters are there, that is lesson 3 and lesson 12. Now we are going to start our EV1 syllabus, that is lesson 10, save natural resources. Okay, in this chapter we are going to discuss about natural resources. Natural resources means the resources that we get from nature. Okay, जो हमें nature ने दिए. These resources are a gift to mankind. For example, water, air, soil, sunlight. Okay, these are the resources that we get from nature. That is why these are called natural resources. Okay, so today we will discuss about natural resources, what are natural resources, and we will discuss only one natural resource, that is soil. Okay, now ready? Let's start the reading. Okay beta. Yes beta, let's start the reading. Lesson 10, save natural resources. Okay, natural resources are also called earth resources as they are obtained from various components of the earth, and these resources are gifts of nature to mankind. Natural resources are also called earth resources. Why they are called earth resources? Because they are obtained from various components of the earth. We get these resources from earth, and these resources are the gifts of nature. These resources are the gift of nature. Why? Because we get these resources from nature. The resources present naturally on earth are known as natural resources. जो resources naturally present होते हैं, nature में present होते हैं, the resources that we get from nature, that is called natural resources. Example, water, air, minerals, oil, soil and sunlight. ठीक है, these are all natural resources. Let us study these resources and find the effective measure to save it. Now we are going to discuss each resources one by one and how we can save these resources. Okay, what are the effective measure to save it? Sanjam, what are they putting in the engine? Righa, I think they are putting coal into the steam engine. संजम, रीघा संजम से पूछ रही है कि संजम व्हाट आर दे पुटिंग इन द इंजन में क्या डालते हैं? तो ये कहता है कि आई थिंक दे आर पुटिंग कोल इनटू द स्टीम इंजन, एंड कोल आर आल्सो अ नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. सो फर्स्ट नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज है बेटा सॉइल. टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट सॉइल. ओके, सॉइल इज द uppermost layer of the earth crust. The uppermost layer of the earth crust is soil, and it is formed by weathering of rocks, breaking up of rocks. ठीक है, ये आपने एसएस में और ये आपने पहले भी चैप्टर में पढ़े होंगे कि soil is formed by the breaking up of rocks, by heat, by wind, water and other natural resources. ठीक है, natural agents. Okay, due to heat, due to rain, rocks break into smaller pieces, and that is why this soil is formed. Okay, strong winds and river water carry and deposit it at different places. Strong wind और river water इसको carry करते हैं soil को और अलग अलग जगह पे deposit कर देते हैं. Importance of soil. Why soil is very important? First, soil is very important natural resources. Why? Because we grow grain, vegetable and other plant on it. Okay, soil help us in growing different plants. It also provides shelter to a number of insect and animals. It also provides home. It also provides shelter to a number of insect. Many insect and animals live in the soil. Okay, these are the importance of soil. Then soil erosion, the process of carrying away of soil by wind or water is called soil erosion. The removal of topmost soil by wind or water, that is called soil erosion. Soil erosion क्या होता है बेटा कि बहुत तेज बारिश या बहुत तेज विंड से जब टॉप मोस्ट लेयर, जो ऊपर की जो लेयर होती है सॉइल की, वो रिमूव हो जाती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड सॉइल एरोजन. एंड दैट इज वाई सॉइल बिकम बैरन, बंजर हो जाती है सॉइल. ठीक है. हाउ टू सेव सॉइल. अब हम सॉइल को कैसे सेव कर सकते हैं? रूट ऑफ द ट्रीज फिक्स द सॉइल पार्टिकल टू द ग्राउंड. ट्रीज की जो रूट होती है वो उसको फिक्स रखती है सॉइल पार्टिकल्स को ग्राउंड में, एंड हेंस चेक एरोजन. देयरफॉर मोर एंड मोर ट्रीज शुड बी प्लांटेड to check soil erosion. Roots of the trees fix the soil particle, okay, and prevent soil erosion. And therefore, we have to grow more and more trees, and we have to plant more and more trees to prevent soil erosion. Okay, so this is your today work. You have to read page number 104 and page number 105 up to soil. Okay. We use many things in our daily life. Some of we get from nature, while some are made by man. All the things that we get from nature are called natural resources. Soil, air, water, plants and animals are some of the example of natural resources. Now, today we are going to discuss what is soil. Soil क्या है बेटा? The uppermost layer of earth's surface in which plant grow is called soil. How soil is formed? Formation of soil. Soil is formed by breaking down of rocks due to the action of heat, sun, rain and wind. It is very important for us. Soil is very important for plants and other living beings. Plants grow on soil and absorb nutrient from it. Many microorganisms, small animals, etc. live in soil. Some soil are used for making buildings and roads. Some soil, like clay, are used for making pottery items. Soil erosion and soil conservation. Now what happens when soil is carried away by wind and water? The removal of topsoil due to wind and water is called soil erosion. The agent of soil erosion was wind, water and human. Erosion by human, like deforestation, overgrazing of cattle, uncultivated land. If we leave land uncultivated, then it will cause soil erosion. Now what are the steps? The steps we have to take to stop soil erosion is called soil conservation. Okay, the main step of soil conservation is first afforestation, that means planting more and more trees. Second, terrace farming. Terrace farming, especially in hilly areas. Hilly areas, the land are slanting, so water flow very fast. So to reduce the flow of water, they do terrace farming. Third, fencing plants along farm. And fourth is embankment along river bank. So these are the 4 steps to avoid soil erosion or to make soil conservation. First, afforestation, terrace farming, fencing along plants and embankment. Okay. So beta, you have to read page number 104 and page number 105 of lesson 10 सेव नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज थॉरली। ओके, सिर्फ आपने 105 का बेटा सॉइल तक का चैप्टर, सॉइल तक का टॉपिक आपने रीड करना है। ओके, थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे, बाय बाय।